you are representing Barangay Bunabon. Barangay Bunabon, papuntang Pagkaspas.
Yes. Ganun po.
Ilang taon ka na po? 20. Tapos 6'1".
Siguro nag-write out na siya ng bata.
Pinano na. Yung papa mo kasi, actually your dad was one of the best teachers. Diba? Yung daddy niya kasi, ayaw mong gayahin yung daddy mo. Pero, like public speaking, you know, ang father, so may tanong ka pa. So,
confidence, consistency, and discipline. Because I believe that if you are consistent in everything that you are doing, you can focus to the goal that you are aiming, and if you are disciplined enough, you can do a lot of things while focusing on your goal. And if you are confident, I believe that if you are confident, you have the power to embrace your insecurities without having a problem.
Kami follow up.